Oh, wake up, man.
Oh,
Wake up.
I want to get a big 50.
It's bass time.
How do I get out of here, man? Oh, get that thing out.
It's wakey time. Just on 5 a.m. Sun's starting to come up. Well, good morning, little guplings. I hope you had a sweet sleep last night.
Mate.
Is the plan again today to get a 50?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. 50 centimetre bass.
We'll get one.
Okay, good morning. It's time for day 2 here. As you can see, the sun is starting to hit that mountain ridge line behind us. The guppies are slowly getting their wheat bix ready, and the plan this morning was quite cold, so we're going to start to make our way back to those zones where we found fish yesterday, because there's a lot of flow here in those little corner pockets is where the fish seem to be eating. So yeah, we've got all the warmer gear on this morning, and then it's starting to trek through the rocks. I'm sure we'll heat up as the sun comes out throughout the day, but we're going to do a half day today, and the goal is to try and get the guppies 50 centimetre each, or at least one of them. So we'll take you along for day 2. Let's go.
First cast of the morning. We're hooked up here. Literally first cast of the morning, and I got a cracking bass. It's on the Munros, 375 inch. It's holding deep in the current. Kano.
Oh.
Kano, get up. Oh yeah, he's getting on the rocks. He's a good fish. Literal very first cast. Popped that plastic on the other side and the big eddy over there. And I got donkey. Good fish. Right. Good fish. Plastic just popped out. Actually, the leader just snapped on the Munros. There we have it. First fish of the morning, first cast of the morning, and we nail a solid little fish. That little eddy just over there, and you smacked it. There we go. How sick is that? And he is off. What a way to start the morning.
No, like deeper than that.
And it should sink backwards.
Good talking.
That's on the Allen. The Munros plastic on the 3.75 in the white paddle tail. Yeah. Big healthy bass. See that Sandora, I'll bring him up there. Well guys, there you have it, my first cast of the morning. We've got a very healthy bass. And I threw on the the white coloured paddle tail this morning. Just felt like using it, and it's worked. First cast of the morning, look at that. Such healthy fish out in this country, man. You know, what a start to the second day. It's a beautiful cold morning. There's none of the wind that was around yesterday, and this is just such a good fish to start the day. So hopefully it's going to be nothing but upgrades. And for us, this is our way of escaping the ordinary. How good. Well, there's nothing better than letting these fish go so they get bigger, fatter, juicier for the next angler. Thank you, mate. And he's off. Such a special part of the world.
Again, another solid fish. So weird, the boys have been peppering the spot and only got one fish out of it. Oh, this is a good fish. Big one.
Big one?
Yeah. Real big. Big one.
Donkey.
Oh, this could be a 50. Central 50 candidate.
That is him. Dude. Oh. Nah, I'm calling 40s, high 40s.
There we have it. The Munros can't be stopped.
Alright, let's get the
Smacked it right at my feet and just took off screaming.
measuring tape down here.
Yep.
Yeah, you do.
Okay, ready?
Oh,
What's the lip
49.
at?
Oh, is it 50?
Is it?
Is
It
it
is.
50?
It's 50. Look, the
It's
tail.
50. 50. I cracked a 50. Yes, let's go.
He's done it. He's done it.
Big dog.
Guppy.
The 50 gang.
Guppy, 50 club. Let's go, boys.
Doubles.
Sick.
He's not as fat And- as Trish's one, but he's a long one.
Yeah, he's not as like his belly isn't as juicy, but he had the length. He just got to the 50 point, like the tip of his tail. There you go. Just
There we go.
just as we're about to leave this zone too.
375 Munro. There you go, we'll get him back. Come on. Straight up.
Like, it wasn't fat, so I was like, oh, I thought it was maybe another 48, 49.
Yeah. But he had the
Luckily
length.
we got the measuring tape out because that was probably 50.
Tip 50 on the dot.
Yeah. Oh, it was right on the nose, eh?
Let's keep going. That was just a little sneaky cast as well. Just so I've been getting the drone up. And 50.
Drone
Banged
pilot
it.
gets it done, baby.
How good.
Whoa. That's a good one, man. It's a good one. Yeah. It's a good one.
Good one.
Holy. Yes.
37.5 in the fool's gold colour. That's my first fish landed in the morning, finally.
Go nose on! That's Kane.
This little paddle tail's been smashing it all morning. Even though this is a small fish, so much fun. So we're gonna pack it up pretty shortly and start heading back, but we'll have a few more casts on the way back and see how we do. Get this bloke back in the water. Oh, yep.
Wow. Wow.
All in there, I reckon.
Oh, wow.
That's the fish.
Did you see that eat?
Oh, it's insane.
All right.
That's a good fish.
Guys, another cracking fish for this morning. We've caught over a dozen fish. Eli ticked off his 50 and we're actually going to call it early because we've got a big fall drive out of here. We've got to pack down. But this has been such a special 2 days fishing. It was great to take the guppies and show them what real bass fishing is like. And look, a huge thank you to everyone that supports what we do. We absolutely love bringing you this kind of content. So we're going to get this guy back in the drink, start hiking back, and then get ready for the next adventure. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you soon.